What's going on, everybody? We're gonna do a little catfishing today. Solely gonna focus on that. I have a small rattle trap on there, shad color, that I may throw out. As you see, it's kind of windy. Look behind me. Wind's coming from the north side, so hopefully we can get on the other side of this bank right here and just stay up against it, cast out, and that way we're not going anywhere on this. Like I said, the wind started picking up. Seems like it's maybe 10-15 miles an hour. The little raft was actually over there on the backside of the car just a minute ago and blew itself right here. So I didn't plan on actually tying down anywhere or doing anything, so I had to grab some cinder blocks, small little bricks with a hose in them, tie off, use a string, anchor me down hopefully, and we can stay in place. But if not, I ain't got an issue with getting into the water. Right now we're going to throw the cast net out. Hopefully we can catch some shad. Like I said, we're going to be doing catfishing, so you need some bait. Tom, getting bait. Like, I know it's not that deep right here, so got a few little shad in there, which is good. Get ready to gear up. Some of you may be thinking why, but why not? Whoa! All right, I think we're losing air. Well, I guess it just adds to what's to come, huh? Adds to the adventure. All right. All right. Well, I seen some lightning. Lightning to me is an automatic no. Well, should we risk it? Let's take a look at the weather real quick. Well, we're not going to do any dinghy fishing. What we're going to do is we're going to walk up and over, throw some lines out there. Hopefully we can see if we can get into one or two fish, and stay tuned. Well, the original part was supposed to happen. So we're going to walk around here in hopes that maybe we can do a little catfishing. Honestly, not too sure. I see some white capes out there on the water. Like I said, not too really worried about fishing in the storm. It's just the lightning. Definitely am not trying to get hit by lightning. So let's see do, and if we can actually get a line out, or if we can, then we'll fish right over here. Really, I think that's what's going to happen. I may just have to get in the way. I see more lightning. I may just have to step on the water, these cattails, and push them down, just so we can have a line, a casting line out. So we could go over there, but it's really kind of just let it go, do what it does. But like I said, let me get down here, step on some of these cattails, try to clear out a fishing lane, and I'll get back at you. Alright, as you can see, I got somewhat of a fishing lane open. I figure next time I'll keep going down there if we get a couple of bites. This was actually the area I was talking about. I was trying to set up because I knew the water would be dead right here. Not dead, but pretty uneventful. And with that being said, this is where I had the full intentions of setting up. So we're back. We're not on the fish yet, but I turned this on just to see if y'all can catch some of the lightning in the background. Had a small hit just now, but I really think it was the grass slapping at the line that's running between it. Since you can see this wind behind me is definitely picked up. I'm gonna keep this running for a little bit longer. Maybe we can catch some lightning in the background. But stay tuned, let's get at it. Hit. Let's see if it goes back at it. No. So now we're gonna have to walk through here real quick, pull this line out just to check it. But like I said, in doing so, I opened up a fishing channel, or a fishing lane. Yeah, we had something on there. Took the bait. Let's walk back up this way. Go get another shad, and I'll get y'all once we get back on another hit. Stay tuned. Well, we're back. We just had one hard hit. It let go, line loosened up a little bit. Let's go check this real quick, see if we got. I think it was that grass. Well, as y'all can see, that storm is getting closer. We did catch something. We caught a baby channel. How that happened, I have no idea. But we're gonna let him go back. Well, folks, I decided to stay. We got a hit on. Let's see if we got some. Oh, we got one. Maybe we can pull him straight up through his fishing lane. When I said fishing lane, that's what I was talking about. That way I wouldn't have to go all the way out there. And just pull him up straight through. Oh yeah, come on, get on out of there. See, that's the whole purpose of that fishing lane right there. Nice little channel. Look at that. Nice little channel. Like I said, not too bad. We're gonna throw them over here on this side. That way we don't get caught up in all that grass back there. Just let them go. Well folks, if y'all made it this far, I want to say thank you. Alright, hey folks, this is going to be the end of the video. Unfortunately, you see the weather behind me, which I've been talking about this whole video. It's definitely gotten a lot closer than what it was before. So, with that being said, we're going to go ahead and end this video. We did catch that one pretty good size low eater channel. Threw it back on this back end in this little pool where I know it can go back out there if it needs to. Don't know how we caught that little baby channel on the body. I guess just as I was bringing it in, it must have just got snagged. But hopefully tomorrow we can get back out here, do some more catfishing. Didn't know the weather was really going to turn like this today. Last I seen, it was going to be cloudy all day, but no rain, no wind, no thunder, no lightning for sure. So if you like these videos, please like, subscribe, hit that little bell notification.